matcha green tea latte. That's just really fun to say. So we're gonna make matcha green tea latte. Somebody who knows us and loves us and knows that we love interesting food things got us this beautiful bamboo matcha green tea set a while ago, and I think we used the little tea that came with it, and then I used the tea to make some chocolates and stuff, but otherwise we'd never used this since until my friend shared a recipe for matcha green tea latte, which we have gotten somewhat addicted to and enjoy treating ourselves to at least, you know, maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, you know. Really good for you. Go look up the benefits of matcha. Super, super, super antioxidant, really powerful. We're gonna use our raw milk. Oh, I totally forgot the raw milk. Hold on. We're gonna use our raw milk so that we get all the amazing benefits of the milk. We're gonna use local honey, so we're getting the amazing benefits of that. A little bit of vanilla for sweetness, and then our essential oils. So we're getting all the amazing benefits from that. So really quickly is we also happen to have these beautiful little Japanese bowls that we can use for a lot of things. If you don't have one of these perfect little bowls, you can totally use a Pyrex cup. And the reason for the bowl is because the whisk naturally fits in there really well. Again, if you don't happen to have one of these whisks, then you say, Jessie, I don't have a whisk. So you just use a regular whisk and use a Pyrex bowl, and you can still get around. The reason for that is the most important step for the matcha is you need to add a little bit of boiling water to make it a paste first. Then you can do the milk. So Trader Joe's has these perfect little single serve packets, or I found a large bag. Yes, this is pretty expensive, but you only use a little bit at a time. And my handy little scooper tool, and I figured out that about 2 kind of mounded scoops are perfect for a single serving. So about like that, or it works out to be about a mounded half a teaspoon. So can you see that? Okay, so we've got matcha, little bit of hot boiling water, and then you get your whisk, and you're gonna whisk this. You want it to be a dark green paste. Now we add the flavor. So matcha itself is very bitter. Americans tend not to enjoy bitter. We enjoy that, but you're gonna wanna balance that just a little bit so that the drink is pleasant, not too sweet. So I add a teeny dash, like a little baby squirt of the honey, and a little bitty bit, like not even a full capful of vanilla. Vanilla is optional, but again, this is our treat. And then 1, 2, or if you accidentally get 3 drops of essential oils. We have experimented and we love all the citrus oils in this. They're amazing, but our absolute favorite is green mandarin. We just did the A to Ylang Ylang video on green mandarin, which is why I'm making this for you. For y'all's benefit, of course. We get very little benefit out of this, truly. It's just for you. Okay, my base is ready. Now I'm gonna do the raw milk. And I measured out, and go for about like a little over a half of a cup per single serving. So if you're gonna measure out maybe about a cup, cup and a quarter, I just kind of pour it in here and steam it. Now, again, if you say, Jessie, but I don't have a steamer wand, you can do this on the stove top and just whisk as you go. The benefit of a steam wand, which I have on my espresso machine here, is that to get all the benefits of raw milk, you don't want to steam your milk over about 115 degrees, 118 max, but go for 115. And that's a perfect sippable temperature. You gotta drink it kind of quickly because it's not as hot as we usually like drinks, but then you'll still get all the nutrients and benefits. So I'm gonna steam my milk, and it's gonna be loud, but what I'm gonna tell you to do is you put the steam wand in, and then you kind of froth it a little bit right at the very surface of the milk, and that's gonna create your froth. And then you want to just keep the steam wand at the very surface of the milk, and I'll show you a difference so you can hear it. But you want to keep it just right at the surface, and now keep producing all that good froth. So, okay, turn on, you stick the steam wand all the way down in. It's starting to go. Now I'm going to raise it to the surface. And you hear Can you hear the difference? It's just kind of like a nice bubbling. This is too much. That's not a good sound. And this is also, you can't hear anything, so you want to keep it right at the surface. So I have frothed this beautifully. The milk that was going up to about here, the foam is now up here because I have to tell you I'm kind of addicted to milk foam. And then we're going to just pour it in. And enjoy.